Watch AI create a QA test execution and defect dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. Starting from the home page, we'll import our test execution data. Simply click Import Data, select your file, and Bricks instantly processes the information. Now we'll click Create Dashboard, and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our quality assurance data, identifying key metrics like test execution trends, automation coverage, and defect tracking patterns. It's automatically generating 6 comprehensive charts, including overall test status proportions, weekly execution trends, and automation coverage analysis. The system is also creating detailed tables for defective test suites and tester performance summaries. Our QA Test Execution and Defect dashboard is complete with professional visualizations showing test outcomes by suite, defects logged versus closed rates, and comprehensive status distributions. We can instantly customize the theme for different presentations or corporate branding requirements. Now let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This clean, distraction-free view highlights our key quality metrics beautifully. Perfect for executive dashboards or team reviews. The full screen experience makes every chart and insight crystal clear for any audience. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our interactive widgets, customize layouts, and drill into specific data points whenever needed. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.